Hey class, so it's really important that you practice your letters and sounds every single day because your letters and sounds are the foundation to both reading and writing. So you want to make sure that you are really, really, really automatic and fast with your letters and sounds. So our new letter this week is the letter Y, and the Y, you grab a yo-yo and you go ya, ya, ya. So the Y says ya, 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 ya. For the Z, oh, no, where's my Z? For the Z, you get a zipper and you go zzz. So the Z says zzz, 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 zzz. And then now for a review. The J says j, 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 because you got to jump. The K says k, 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 k. The L says ul, 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 ul. The H says the M says The N says The O says ah, 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 ah. The F says The P says p, 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 p. The I says I. The Q says qua, 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 qua. The R says The G says g, 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 g. The U says The T says t, t, t. The D says d, 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 d. The A says ah. The V says v, 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 v. The E says eh. The X says x, 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 x. The B says b, 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 b. The W says w, 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 like a wave. The S says s, 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 s. And the C says k, 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 k. Okay, good luck with your letters and sounds this week.